This adorable little drive is the LaCie Rugged SSD4. It's a USB-C drive with up to 4,000 megabit per second transfer rates, and LaCie says that it is adventure-proof. Technically, it's water-resistant, freeze-resistant, crush-resistant, and drop-resistant. There really are limits to the proofness of a portable drive, but it's supposed to stand up to lots of abuse. So, like with any other consumer electronics that make a lot of claims, we took this drive out to our high-end, calibrated, and sophisticated testing facilities to give it a try to see if it lives up to LaCie's claims. Nah, just kidding. First I chucked it in the deep freezer overnight, then thawed it, and then my son and I took it outside and subjected it to abuse. Let's go take a look at the results, and then I'm going to come back and give you some of my final thoughts. So, as you can see from the test, this drive really lived up to LaCie's claims. Now, I've been using LaCie rugged drives for years, since back when they were physical hard drives. Those are not nearly as durable as these SSD drives are. In fact, most SSDs are pretty durable to begin with, but this one is designed to really stand up to the elements. There are a lot of SSDs that are designed for longevity. For example, the OWC1M2 Express that I tested is built like a tank and has an exterior made of a gigantic heatsink. Heat is the enemy of SSDs, so that drive may outlast the rugged SSD4. But I wouldn't do this with that drive. There's just one small thing I don't like about this small drive. It comes with a silicone plug that goes in here in order to plug up the USB-C port, and that disappeared almost instantly. I think it might have fallen out in one of our drop tests, but just as likely it fell out at a coffee shop or somewhere I was working where I had to take the plug out just to connect the drive. I really think that the little plug should be connected somehow to either the drive or to the silicone bumper. It's just way too easy to lose it. These drives range from 1 terabyte at about $120 all the way up to 4 terabytes at just a little bit under $400. That's actually pretty affordable compared to other high-performance SSD drives out there, even ones that are not rugged. So how do you use your hard drives? Do you need a drive that you can drop in a puddle or stick in a freezer? Or is all of your stuff on a desktop drive somewhere and doesn't need to be extra rugged? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any specific questions about this drive, please leave them in the comments below and I will get you information on the drive. If you like honest real-world reviews like these, boop the buttons below. For Imaging Resource, I'm editor David Schloss, and until next time, go out there and give it your best shot.